My name is Adrian Maxwell, Managing Director from Fracino.
My name is Frank Maxwell. I'm now the Chairman of Fracino and the founder.
We've won the National Export Award. Absolutely ecstatic to have won. I'm really surprised. I didn't think that we would win this award. I was very proud when we won the Midland Award, but to win this is a highly prestigious thing. And I hope the company can have a go later on and try again.
For me, it's absolutely wonderful, because to go from a back garden shed to a large manufacturing base seems almost impossible, but at least it should give encouragement to others that are trying. And because Adrian has done so well with the efforts in the factory, it's grown a lot more than it would have done normally. And the exports, of course, are absolutely superb. So for that, we're grateful that we won, and we're grateful for everybody in the factory that works for us.